So take a quick look here at this portion of the video where we talk about using testimonials and the guarantees to minimize risk. Okay, so Doug, if you don't mind me asking, what do you do for a living?
I'm actually in the marketing business.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do a lot of marketing and advertising with our firm.
Yeah?
Yep.
Awesome, awesome. And you, Jamie, I know you said that you work?
Yeah, I work in the health club industry, so
Oh, yeah?
actually, I manage a health club.
Very cool, very, very cool. And have you been at that for a while?
I have. It's, I went to college for that, and that's
Really?
my sports medicine degree, so I got to actually put it to use.
Awesome. Well, again, I really appreciate you guys having me. And what I'd like to do is just share a little information with you about my company and kind of give you an idea of who we are. And kind of the cornerstone of our business is what we call our buy it back guarantee. When you go buy a flashlight at Walmart or some kind of tool at Costco or something like that, and if you don't like that item, if it doesn't work right, you just don't like it, something like that, would you typically just kind of take that back to Costco or Walmart and return it?
I've never done that. Just kidding.
Yeah.
We do it all the time.
Yeah, and they take it back, no questions asked.
Yeah, exactly. So what happens when you take something back, you buy a dress or something, you don't like it, you take it back to a department store, you just don't like it, it didn't fit right, or maybe you just decided you didn't like it, you didn't wear it, and then take it back, of course. Yeah, but you just didn't like it. You don't get a lot of brain damage, right? If you return the item, you get your money back, they let you exchange it for something new, whatever it is. Well, we decided a few years ago that it should be the same way in the heating and air conditioning business. That if you bought a heating and air conditioning system, you just didn't like it, you didn't like the way it heated, you didn't like the way it cooled, you just didn't like anything about it, that you should have the opportunity to return that system. And so that's kind of the foundation of our company. We call that our buy it back guarantee. And it's a very powerful way to do business, a very effective way to do business, and we believe that the risk of this purchasing decision should be on our shoulders, not on yours. Obviously, we're asking you to trust our company. We're asking you to invest money with our company versus another company. So we figure that it should be our responsibility to make sure the job's done right. And if it's not done right, that shouldn't be your problem, it should be ours.